So hi there, it's me again, Xander. This is Bird. It's just of the birds minding their own business. Being cuties. Can you guys even see what the birds are? I don't think you guys can. Can you? Show in the mirror. Yeah, ready. What you sounds. Oh, also, Grassy did a trick shot with that bulb. The bulb was right here, and then Grassy just took it off, and it fell all the way down here. And a trick shot made it land onto there. Just the second time this week. Well, not this week, but last week it happened. And not this week it happened. You birdies are so cute. Birdies are so cute. Bussy bird, bussy bird, diggity by the garden of the willow tree. With me. You guys know what that song is? I don't know what it is, but it's a pretty catchy song, you know. And yeah. Like and sub for more budgie vids. And yes, to haters, Melly and Grassy, still love you. Like, subscribe.